Hello, everyone. This is UV here. Thank you for joining me today, right before the holiday weekend. Today, I will do some kind of more professional webinar. I mean, we did a lot of progress and development in the back end, which means it's not necessarily things the users see, but it's extremely helpful tools for people that are doing basic internet marketing and mainly people that have resellers of their white label or planning to have resellers. We did a lot of tools and cool stuff that you can use to save you time, scale your business more easily, and have some unique tools that let you stand out in the market. So let me start. I made a little list here to go over a few things. At the end, I'll leave information. I'll leave time for some kind of Q&A. I have Gerald here and Michelle helping me while I'm speaking. They'll answer questions, but if there's something left for me to answer, I'll do it at the end. So thank you again. This is our admin dashboard. I'm sure most of you are familiar with it. And under account setup, under this link here, we have a lot of tools that are hiding and you can use for your white label account. So if I'm clicking here, all right. So under billing here, this is really the link to have payment gateway integration. We always had authorized.net, but recently we added First Data, one of the largest processors in the US, and PayPal Pro that we all know who they are. So now you have the option to have one of those three. Can be only one at a time, right? So your payment gateway, it's where you really choose to process your payments. And once as you can see here, all you need to do is just copy and paste your keys from those payment gateways. Once you do that, you basically it's working. So our billing system is fully integrated with those gateways, and once you copy paste those keys, you can process payments and store credit cards in the system for recurring payments. You also have two options here with PayPal buttons and Google checkout buttons that will be added to your invoices. So when you charge credit cards, if they're declined or from some reason you cannot process a credit card, you can always submit an invoice to your customer with those buttons integrated. And all they need to do is click the button and pay the bill. And once they do that, it will notify our system that this bill was paid. Now under links here, we added a couple of things that are pretty cool. I actually finished it this morning. You can have different knowledge bases for advertisers and resellers. Okay, so until now we only had that one option that you can change the knowledge base for your advertisers. So as default, we give you this knowledge base, which is has all the information and videos and how-tos that are generic, right, without the line brand. So you can have, once you have a white label with us, you can have a full knowledge base with all the information for your customers. But right now, what we added is a couple more things. One, you can have a separate knowledge base for your resellers. So if you're selling, if you have resellers, you want to have, sometimes you want to have a different knowledge base for them just because, it's some kind of different relationship between the reseller and the retail account, your customer. So you can now have one knowledge base for your advertiser and a different knowledge base for your reseller, and they can be the same. It doesn't matter, but if you want to have different one, that's all you do. You change the URL here, and you can change the actual name of the link. Now, we added another cool thing is full integration with Zendesk Secure Login. Once you check this box, we will ask you for a shared the shared secret from Zendesk, that how they call it, which is basically your secured key that you copy and paste from Zendesk, and that will automatically integrate your account with Zendesk. Which is what this thing will do is just like when you have our resource center. Let me go back here. If I click resource center here, you know that we send you to this resource center for white labels, right? White label support, and you already logged in, which means this is a secured area. If someone just type in Lime Cellular this URL, they won't be able to get in because on Zendesk you can actually block the option to register. So if you block the option to register and you use this, let me go back here, this secure login option, that means that every time someone clicks on the knowledge base, they will be automatically, will create a user for them automatically on Zendesk with this API, which means this is the remote login API for Zendesk. And this will automatically log them in just like we do when you click Resource Center. And this will be a secured area. So the bottom line is you can be sure that if you use this option, no one else can access your Zendesk. If you have valuable information there and you want only customers to be able to log into your Zendesk, you can use the secure login for Zendesk right here. It also, what it does, it's kind of like manage your user base automatically. So if you cancel account on Lime Cellular, they won't be able to get into Zendesk. So that allows you to kind of like manage your user base under one place. You don't need to cancel the account on Lime Cellular and then go to Zendesk and cancel it. You just cancel Lime Cellular, that automatically cancel them on Zendesk as well. So you can do the same thing for the resellers, for advertisers. You can have it separate. If it sounds confusing, it's actually really simple. We built a PDF here that you just click on it. It will open up on your screen and it will show you exactly what key you need to copy from Zendesk. This is how it looks on their screen, and that's it, and it works. You paste it here and you get to go, and you have a secure resource center. I mean, those stuffs, if you build it yourself, can take weeks. I mean, we saw resellers, one of our clients that are building their own databases of to do support, and we kind of like thought of a way to just simplify the process. So instead of investing weeks uh, building your own secure knowledge base, you just copy paste it and you can set it up in a matter of minutes. So that saves a lot of time to everyone. I'll jump from here to the reseller tab because again, this kind of like this webinar will focus on all the enhancement we did for resellers, but not only. Another thing we added for resellers is if you remember, this old tab was very different. That was the tab to actually set the prices for resellers, but not anymore. Now resellers you can create packages for resellers, so it's just not one price set of pricing. You can create as many as you want, just like with advertisers. So we took off all the pricing part from here and we move it to the packages. So here we have room to add some new stuff. The one thing that we added recently, like last week, I think, is custom link. Custom link, which basically allows you to put any link on your reseller dashboard, right? So for instance, we got requests that people want to send them to some other source or some other, app or app builder or whatever builder that they bundle in the service, and they want to add some link that we don't have in our platform. So all you have to do here is basically give the link a name. So let's just put my name here, and it takes you to limecellular.com, right? But if you're using business apps or whatever you're using, just put it here and put your white label dashboard with them. So this is the custom link, and I'll show you in a second how it looks on the Reseller Dashboard. Other thing that we have here is respond URL. If you have a server or CRM system, and again, this is for the higher volume clients that have multiple resellers, but if for some reason you want to be notified every time a new reseller is created, just to track it or do, if it's billing or whatever you have to do on your end, you can give us the response URL for your servers. And every time a reseller is being created, either manually or automatically with the sign up pages, the response URL will let your server know that a new reseller has been created, just like you see here. Another thing, the last thing here on this tab that we just added is integration with Kajabi. Kajabi is a great app to build drift campaigns or any type of membership products. So here, now our system can be fully integrated with Kajabi. And what it will do, just very similar to the Zendesk, every time a resale is being created, right, as you see here, we will create an account on Kajabi. So again, easy management. When you create a reseller, you don't have to go to Kajabi and create a user there. If you have hundreds of users, it's very helpful. Another thing, when you close a reseller, or if you delete a reseller on our system, we will go to Kajabi and close their account as well. So again, easy management. If you log in someone to Kajabi and you have all your content on Kajabi, it's a great tool to have content, drip content, and membership. And that's part of your product you're bundling. This is a great way to manage it very easily. Again, copy paste the keys, the URLs from Kajabi, and you're good to go. So again, those type of integration can cost you thousands of dollars to pay developers, and it's not always smooth. And here, within minutes, you're good to go. You just create your Kajabi, whatever integration, copy paste the keys. Every time a resale has been created, it creates the Kajabi user. Every time you delete, it deletes it from Kajabi. One single sign-on and easy management. So under account setup, we covered the new updates. I want to talk about the reseller packages for a minute. So very similar to the packages you have for advertisers, we now created packages for resellers. So you have reseller that gets 2,000 credits a month, and you have a reseller that gets 5,000 credits a month with different price points. We have resellers that revenue share or fixed price. You can create different packages and include it in the sign up pages. Click a new package, right? You can, again, give it a name, pricing, pretty straightforward, keywords, the whole package, and you can enable branding or sales agents, which are features of the reseller, which I'm not going to cover now because that's another hour of webinar. So just to know that resellers doesn't have one price like it used to be. They can have multiple pricing points, and it's super easy. Again, if you need more information about everything that I mentioning here, that's why we have support. And you can call them or use our knowledge base and see everything in detail. Another feature that we will open next week is pretty cool. It actually allows you to kind of like create pay-as-you-go model with resellers. It's called Sell Bulk Credits. So if I click on Sell Bulk Credits, it basically allows me, the white label, right, to create credit bundle that people can just click and buy from their dashboard. Just remember the packages here, and I'll show in a second how it actually looks on the reseller side. So here, I created 3 bulk credit packages. So I'm selling 1,000 credits for $100. I'm selling 5,000 credits for $400. and I'm selling 10,000 credits for $750, right? This is me, the white label, selling credits on an ongoing basis to my resellers. So just for example, let's say that I have my model is that you have a monthly fee that can be either nothing or a small monthly fee, but I don't give you any credits for that monthly fee. Every time you need credits, you can just go to the dashboard and buy them. That's some models that some people use. The more common model is that you charge a monthly fee that includes some credit with it, but you can just say, you know what, I want to work like on a pay as you go. You're going to pay more per credit, but you won't have to buy them every month or roll over or whatever. You can just buy them as you need them. So this way the sell bulk credit is for. So once I created those bundles, I will now jump to the reseller dashboard and show you how it looks there. So I'll take one of my resellers and I'll jump to their dashboard with our support tool, right? So first of all, let's review the things we did before. Remember, I did my custom link, Yuval Madar, right here, and that will open up the Line website, right? So that's how the custom links look like, right? Takes you to the URL that you specify. So that's a custom link. What else we did there is the purchase. Once you're creating the sell bulk credit, your resellers will have a link here to purchase credits. If you didn't set the sell bulk credit, you didn't set any package, this link would not appear. So if you don't want to work this way, that's fine. They won't ask questions because they won't see this link. Okay, you click purchase credits, and now you can see that I have my packages that are available to me, which is 1,000 credits for $100 and all this option. I can just click buy now. When I click buy now, it will tell me you're about to purchase a package of 1,000 credits for $100. Please confirm. If I click OK, it will charge me now $100. And once if this transaction is successful, we will actually load 1,000 credit automatically to my balance. Okay. Of course, that I have to have a credit card on file, which is under payment information. So if I have a credit card on file, I can purchase credits, right? And of course that you even need to have the billing module, because without the billing module, you can't really collect credit cards, and then you can't really sell anything on the fly like this. So you need the billing module, and you need to set the bulk credit packages in order for people to purchase something. Another thing I want to talk about is commissions. And I'll go back to the admin dashboard. Right, so I'm back on the admin dashboard. Another new thing that we can see here is pending commissions. A lot of people that work with internet marketers, or they have affiliates that actually drive traffic to them, or they do JVs or whatever it is, they need to pay commissions. Our system does that for you, and it's really cool and it's really easy, and it creates a lot of trust between the white label and his affiliates, because it's all built in and it's all trackable. So on high volumes of commissions, it started to add up, and people told us, okay, we want to see our pending commissions, which mean what we are about to pay to our affiliates, because, just to help cash flow and to manage our financials smart. So you can click on pending commissions. And of course that this is demo account, so you won't see anything serious here. But once you have full blown and you work this way, you will have all the people and the money that is waiting for them and the total and when you need to pay it. So all my affiliates will be listed here. So if I do, I'll see $1,000 here, $2,000 here, and the total. So I know, matter of cash flow, I need to live in the bank, this much money to pay commissions, because you see the revenues coming in, and you don't know how much you need to pay out for affiliates. So this thing does it for you. And under commission rules, it's actually where you can set up the commissions manually, but the easiest way is to manage it through the sign up pages, which I'll show in a second. So another tool that we added here is for your affiliate, he can actually see his commission. So, because another thing that build trust is you actually that your affiliate can log in at any time and see his commission. So that can be applied to any type of account. So you can just create an advertiser account for them as long as it's an account in the system. It can be your affiliate can be either a reseller, advertiser. It doesn't really matter as long as we have where to tunnel the commissions, right? So it has to be an account in our system. So once I have commissions that are assigned to me, I'll have a link, again, whether it's a reseller account or advertiser account, I will have my commissions. And under my commissions, I will see all the accounts that I receive commission for and the amount of commission. In this case, I get 20% for this user ID, right? Now, the actual amount of money will wait under my statements. So under every statement, and again, I don't know if these statements are true or not, but I will see my payments if I need to pay anything to be affiliate. Usually not, but let's say you can have that. You can say affiliate, you have to pay me something to be affiliate. But let's say you can just set it to 0, and then you'll see all the commissions under every bill that you actually will receive. And we actually deliver commissions only for paid invoices. So if if one affiliate gave you 100 users and out of the 100 users only 70% or 80% of them actually paid, which means the credit card went through, only these are added to the commission when the invoice set as paid. So the invoice set as paid, it can be set in 2 or 3 ways. One way is that the actual credit card is going through and it's fine. Second is that you manually set it as paid. So that means that you got paid somehow. Someone mailed you a check or sent you the money wired or whatever. And the third way is with the buttons on the invoice. So if you send someone click on the button and paid it through PayPal, Google Checkout, and the payment went through, it's also will set it as paid. Bottom line, the big deal here is the whole commission kind of like got revamped by adding the my commission link and the pending commission, and I'll show you in a second how it looks on the sign up pages to actually automate this whole process. So when you click on sign up page, we added like a few more new things. I mean, this is the good old sign up page that we had forever, but that got some steroids here as well. One thing is to include a promotion code. You can set promotion codes. So let's say that I'm selling a package for $300 and in a specific webinar or whatever campaign I'm doing, I want to give $100 off. So in the back end, you can set promotions, right? I can click promotions here and actually create. So holiday special, the promotion code is holiday1 and it's $100 discount and it expires on this date, right? So I can give my users the holiday one promotion code on some kind of webinar. So on the sign up page, we include credit card, include promotion code. What this will do, it will actually add a field to the sign up page to enter the promotion code. So this can be always checked, and only if they have a promotion code they can enter it. But if you create a sign up page specifically for a campaign, you can use that. Another powerful tool is related to the commission. So if I check the commission rule for that specific sign up page, because this sign up page really generates a code that you can host anywhere, right? So let's say that I have some new affiliate. He can drive traffic to me and drive me signups of either advertisers or resellers. It doesn't matter. The commission works on all across the board. And I will tell him, okay, I'm your affiliate. I'll give you an example, real life example. I have a database of 200 restaurants in Monmouth County, and I can drive them to you to sign up for SMS platform or mobile marketing services. You can build them a website or whatever. We'll create a nice package, we'll create a landing page, and I want you to push this great deal for those restaurants. So, and I'll pay you 20% or 25 or 30% ongoing revenues from everyone that signs up from your database. So I'll create a user for that affiliate. Again, it can be advertiser, reseller, whatever it is. And each user has a user ID. So let's say his user ID is this, and I give him 30%. Now everyone that signed up from this sign up page that include this commission will automatically will set a commission rule for that user for 30% off. So everyone that's actually signed up will be automatically added to his commission set. So he'll click my commission, he will see these users. And again, this creates a powerful tool for you to scale your business and drive traffic. Look how easy it is to actually set it up. Now you need to just create a great deal and go to people that have those databases and they can drive traffic to you. But with these tools, you can actually prove them that they will get paid, because the biggest concern of affiliates is that how they get paid and how you prove that they got paid, and you show them that your system does that and it's all built in, and he can see on the fly all his commissions, and he sees it on every invoice, and every month on the clock he will get paid, and the system does everything for you. So scaling your business, that's what it's all about, right? You create a website, you create a service, you sign up with Lime Cellular. Now you need to make money. Those tools help you scale your business and take these great packages that you put it together and you're offering, but actually go to people that have some database or traffic and engage them with your services and be more successful. So I'm not saying you don't have to go and find clients, because it's always good to find your own clients because you don't pay anybody for it. So there's basically two ways, right, to find clients. One is to advertise, whether you knock on doors or put Google ads or printing ads, doesn't matter, still advertising in a way. Second is to go to affiliate that already have database and share the profit with them. So if you want to do that, because that's very powerful and fast, you have all the tools to do it, right from the sign up pages, and then it's been supported in the dashboard and on an ongoing basis. So commission rules, promotion codes, you can even give some special promotion to those people that comes from affiliate. Another field here that we added, that's mandatory phone. You can actually turn the local phone field to mandatory. Not a big deal, but some people need it. So this is the enhancement on the sign-up pages. Again, sign-up page can be for advertisers or resellers. It doesn't matter. You just generate the code, and you can create unlimited sign-up pages and deal through this quick tool. Another thing I want to talk about is real quickly, the APIs. If you go to our resource center, we revamped the videos, redid many of them, organized them. There's a lot of videos here that will help you. The bootcamp got an update as well. All those fields here got an update in the past couple months, 3 months, and everything I show you now, it's kind of like a summary of the work we did in the past 3 months. So the bootcamp got an update, the videos, the guides, and the APIs, of course. We probably double the amount of API that we had in the past couple months. Again, this is more techy. API is application program interface, and you have to be a coder to actually use it. But if you need to check account status ID, create reseller, create an advertiser, keywords, everything can be done with APIs if you have your own apps. I'm not going to go into that and teach you coding right now, but just to let you know, the programmers among of you or the people that have programmers working for them know that we added a lot of APIs recently. Last thing before we go to our holiday weekend is that probably in a couple weeks we're going to add some beautiful presentation. We invested some money in it, and you're gonna have presentations for real estate, for bars and clubs, for appointment-based businesses and websites. This will be all free, and we'll add them to the resource center. But these are really state-of-the-art marketing materials that we just added. Really, really fresh. I know that everyone offer marketing materials, but what I saw, usually people create marketing materials when they open the company, and then they give you like stuff that are 10 years old or 5 years old or 3 years old. Uh, these are as done as we speak, and the one that we had before we're kind of like updating as well, but you'll find a real smart stuff and cool stuff and really useful stuff. Again, look forward to see this in the resource center in the next couple of weeks. Again, thank you very much for your time. This is Yuval. Enjoy the holiday weekend and look forward for great stuff from us. Always updating coming, and we'll do more and more webinars and materials for you to make your business better. Again, thank you, and we'll talk soon.